What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. For today, we're going to be taking a look at the Maonocaster Lite. Last month or a month and a half ago, I reviewed the Maonocaster, which is basically the bigger version, more beefier version than what we're about to review today. This is an audio console for $100. It's designed for streamers who just want something that is light, easy to take around, has battery life. It comes with a microphone, all under $99, which is just crazy. In this case, you're going to be getting a console that has a lot of functionality built in, like denoising, has also custom buttons that you can insert your own audio effects to the console and use that on board. But yeah, without further ado, I don't want this video to be too long. This is the Maonocaster Lite. Let's open up the box, check out what's inside, and let's go. Before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll wait. Good. All right, let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the box. It's a pretty decent sized box. But before we even open this is the model AUM200, which comes with a XLR microphone that is XLR connection to 3.5 jack connection, which connects to the console itself. All right, so in the box, you got a user manual. Right here, we have basically a little bit in the box other than the papers. You get the console and the microphone. So this is the microphone. This is the Maono microphone that comes with this console. Then right here, we are gonna actually get the console, and the console is super light. I actually expected it to be a little bit more heavy. They give you multiple connections. They give you a 3.5 jacks connection, one connection from USB-C to USB-C, just an extender or an adapter if you need it. And then obviously the power to the PC, or the connection to the PC, which is USB-A to USB-C. And then right here, they give you a shock mount, which is quite nice to hold the microphone. And then you also get a stand that is metal base, which should help a lot with vibration and should make the microphone pretty sturdy on your desk. Also get the XLR cable to the 3.1 jack cable. Last but not least, you get the windscreen so you can cover your microphone with it and have better audio quality as well.
All right, guys, so we have the Maonocaster Lite right here plugged in front of us. Before we start reviewing this, I have to disclaim this because I actually had to return the old unit that you guys saw me unbox in the beginning because it just would not work. It was like the microphone does not work at all. I tested the microphone on a different unit and it worked fine. So the actual console was just jack. I went back and messaged Maono about it, and I got no response or no solution to fix my issue. So I ended up actually just returning the unit I bought on Amazon and got a new unit. Unfortunately, I spent the last 40 minutes trying to make this unit work as well. Not off to a good start, let's just say that. Which kind of stinks because I had really high hopes for this thing. And I was hoping that would actually, work out the second time getting the second product. There's a lot of functionality that this tiny thing actually has in it. One of the coolest functionalities, it actually has a denoising button right here which you can turn on to basically get rid of your background noise. So let's go ahead and start by testing that. So right now the noise canceling is turned on. It actually sounds really good. I'm actually listening to it right now. You can see I unplugged my headphone right here. I can hear it in the back of my ears, and it sounds really, really good. A little bit on the quiet end, I think, but the microphone actually sounds pretty clear. On the left bottom right side here, you have an echo functionality, so you can, just sounds more echoey or less echoey. I don't know if it actually is changing things on the fly or not. This is the level of your headset feedback. So if you want to listen at the highest volume, you turn it up. On the left side here, they have a knob that can adjust the microphone output levels. So if you want it to be the maximum audio level, this is the maximum right here. They give you three nice knobs that are really nice. You have the low tones, mid tones, and high tones. So these are really nice. I have them all at 50% right now, or I guess in the middle, if you want to say that. On the bottom left right side here, you have a monitor for monitoring the audio level from your microphone, a battery when it's charging. So currently it's charging, it's plugged into my PC, but you can use this not plugged in, on the go, take it wherever you want, which is really, really nice. And this thing has back-to-end functionality such as Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone directly to it and listen to music from this device. This is the recording knob here, so you can adjust how much the audio, what level the audio is getting recorded at out of the console. So if you're recording through this, on the top right side here, we have the music adjustment, so the level of the music, how high or how low do you want the music to sound, which is really nice because if you're streaming or playing music through the device directly to your phone or to a PC, and you're streaming using this as your audio console, this is a really nice functionality because you can actually just adjust the music from here as you're doing that. So on the middle right here, there's actually auto tuning. So you can see that it can change the actual tuning of your voice. So right now an A major, B flat major, B major, but there's a lot of them. I'll go back to the normal. You just have to hold and it'll go back to the normal. So this is actually how it sounds. I think it sounds really good, honestly, from what I'm hearing in my ears right now. Coolest thing that this thing has is actually pre-built in buttons that you can do to basically sound effects or sound triggers or whatever you want to call them. So if you're streaming, you just press a button and it happens. So for example, this is an opening one. Applause. Gunshots. Laughter. There's laughter. Yeah, booing, whatever that is. You have awkward, which is like silent, I guess. Silence, whatever that's called. You have slapping, which is very weird slapping. And cheering. It's funny that they took that cheering. That's pretty cool. On the bottom right here, you actually have 4 buttons that you can customize via the app that Maono provides. So you can set the buttons to do whatever you want. The pitch is actually a really cool functionality because you can change between the pitch of a woman, man, robot, baby.
This is a female sound.
Male, yeah, baby.
Baby, yeah, I like bananas.
And robot,
So that's how you can go between the pitches, which is really cool. Music only will obviously just play the music only instead of the talking. So that's really nice functionality. At the top of the console right here, we have the turn on button, which you have to hold. You have a light adjustment button, that's actually really nice. So if you're streaming or whatever, this is a really nice functionality because you can just turn off the lights if you don't want the lights. But overall, let's talk about this. Okay. This console comes with a microphone, XLR microphone that can connect via 3.1 to the console. It actually sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty clear. The microphone sounds pretty clear from what I'm hearing through the feedback. I'll actually listen to the audio here in a second on my PC. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Maonocaster Lite, I'll leave the link down below in the description. You can check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any trouble, also let me know because I'm really interested because the 2 units I actually tried to review gave me a ton of issues. Yes, I really like the Maonocaster Lite as long as you get a unit that's not defected.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. I'll see you next time. Bye.